Hey everyone, and welcome back. So today's video is, well, it's gonna be a little different. Not a crazy tutorial or anything, just something kind of fun and practical that I stumbled upon while trying to be, a little healthier. See, lately, I've been working on cutting down on snacking while I work. Instead of reaching for, I don't know, chips or whatever, I've been chewing gum instead. And, well, as you can imagine, I ended up with a ton of these plastic gum containers. They're those pop open ones, the kind that just feel like a waste to throw out, cause they're actually kinda nice and sturdy. So, after stockpiling a good few of these, I thought, hey, why not repurpose them? I decided to start using them to store my various dice sets. I mean, I have so many dice, way more than I realized, actually. And these little boxes are the perfect size. Now, as I was doing this, two things hit me. First, it just didn't look great, having these gum boxes scattered around, full of dice. Kinda tacky, honestly. And second, I couldn't tell which dice set was in which box. Like, sometimes when the kids are over and we're getting ready to play, they'll each want a specific color set that matches their favorite color or their army's color. You know, classic kid stuff. But every time, we'd have to open up every single box to find the right set, and it was just taking too long. Initially, I thought, maybe I'd 3D model a little cover for each box. I could print, paint, and personalize each one for, like, the 20 plus dice sets I have. But, yeah, that idea went out the window pretty quick. After making one, I realized it was gonna take forever and still didn't solve the whole what's inside issue. So then it hit me, labels. Why not just slap on a paper wrap around each box with a pic of what's inside? Super simple, right? I could even add a photo of the dice on the lid so I'd always know what was in each box without opening it. Problem solved. Here's how I went about it. First, I peeled off any labels on the box to have a nice, clean surface. Then, I filled each box with whatever I wanted to store inside. After that, I snapped a quick photo of the contents, just using my phone. Next, I hopped onto InDesign and created a circle template for the lid, and then measured a strip to go around the box. The designs I used for the strip were actually images I generated for my website, which added a nice touch, I think. So, once I had everything printed out, I glued the strips around each box and stuck the little photo on the lid. For good measure, I used a mix of wood glue and spray adhesive to make sure everything stayed in place and didn't start peeling after a while. Now, I've got these neat little boxes, each with a photo and a label so I can tell at a glance what's inside. For the sake of this video, I actually didn't put dice in them. I filled them with sand for basing figures, and I even managed to fit in some 40mm bases. It's honestly pretty handy having all this stuff neatly organized. So, there we go. Hopefully, you enjoyed this little repurposing project. It's simple, it's budget friendly, and it adds a nice touch to the whole dice storage situation. And hey, maybe it'll inspire you to reuse stuff around your own space. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!